When the finished bottle is blocked here, then the equipment will stop the operation of the alarm prompts. These are removable filling heads. The top of the filling head is labeled NR. Bottle jamming mechanism to jam the bottle cylinders for lowering and filling. This is a bottle inspection photoelectric. It detects the bottle, how long before filling. Here's a bottle dispensing mechanism. Keep the two bottles separated by a distance, convenient for the next filling operation. Silo refill port to refill the material. An overflow. When the liquid exceeds the level of this port, then the spillway will take the liquid flowing out beyond the level. There are two cylinders here. It's all controlled by the following servo motors. That's a servo motor under there. The servo motor in this is controlling the unelevated lift of the overall rack. All the original motor parts are mounted here. The table here shows the total air supply. Turn on the power. Default Chinese and English voice of the machine. Languages can be added on request. First step. After turning on the computer, go to the page and click Mechanical Reset. The filling head will reset to the initial position. After the mechanical reset, the machine is ready for normal operation. Racks begin to descend automatically. When this rack reaches the set height, the conveyor belt will run the equipment properly. When the blocking photoelectric detects a bottle accumulation, the device will alert. Here, the bottle alarm trigger time is set to 10 seconds, alerting the device to indicate the accumulation of bottles. When the bottle is gone, manual point alarm cleared. Machine returns to normal operation. A green light means the machine is functioning properly. Red and yellow blinking lights indicate machine standby. The red light signals a machine alarm. The equipment is not in normal condition. It'll alert you. Here are 3 tips. Device in standby mode. Then please check the mechanical reset before starting. That's the mechanical reset you need for step 1. The display shows that the air pressure is too low. Check the equipment for air pressure. The unit's pointer gauge is not adding. Then you need to adjust the air pressure to the specified index. You can clear the alarm. You need to manually tap mechanical reset every time you turn on the power or contact the alarm. For example, if a situation arises during the normal operation of the equipment, This emergency stop switch can be pressed and the unit will stop when it is pressed. Arrow direction on the emergency stop switch knob after the emergency has been dealt with. Tapping on the alarm to clear it won't start it without tapping on the mechanical reset. The machine resets to its discharged position. Just hit start up again and the machine will work. When the machine stops producing, first turn off the power, check the air valve, close the valve, clean up the equipment. Residual material can be